Okay, welcome to my channel. So most investors won't make it to the finish line, not because XRP fails, but because they give up too soon, right? And here's today we'll talk about why, and I keep on saying discipline, but at the end of the day, it's like all the stuff that requires discipline will beat the price predictions. Again, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, I am Tommy Hope, and I talk all things finance, personal finance, cryptocurrency, and investment strategies on this channel. I also do, a little bit of vlogging and discuss a lot about businesses and AI, in general, just because that's what my life's been revolved around, and a lot of what I do day to day, involves all of that. And so I just want to be able to spread the knowledge and get everyone together. If you guys, enjoy this type of video, let me know at the end of the video. I'll kind of drop some of those in there. But I always talk about 3 main points in my videos. And the first point is talking about patience during consolidation. A lot of things that's happening right now with XRP, there's a lot of sideways movement to shake out a lot of the retail investors. Feels boring, feels like nothing's happening. It's exactly what they want. And so at the end of the day, the way that I look at it is long consolidation periods is an accumulation time. It's a great time for us to start getting more, accumulating more, and then that's exactly what the whales do. Smart money does that, so they just start, doing that for the boring phases. Very similar to 2017 and other cycles. The biggest moves are followed with months of silence. So this hasn't been months, it's been up and down, but that's usually what happens, right? Don't miss this opportunity. And the boring phases is literally like what it takes. Don't miss the explosive moves that follow all of the boring stuff. Try and catch it beforehand. Just dollar cost average. At the end of the day, I want, just refrain from boredom. As I don't want to actually. Okay, sorry guys, it's like a couple takes, but reframe the boredom as an opportunity. And then point number 2 is more about the retail psychology. So most investors can't handle emotional cycles. So like hype, and then fear, boredom, and then they exit, right? It's always the same exact cycles. And so the media, they're gonna feel a lot of the impatience, and then they're gonna want all that panic sell. So that's generally what happens, guys. And then also the FOMO, so fear of missing out, and chasing all the hype coins instead of building the conviction of your investments, XRP in this case. And to me, that hits a lot harder, and a lot of folks should actually, I don't know, if that's something that you want to do, you want to follow that hype, go for it. But this channel isn't about the hype. It's about setting some realistic expectations, and then making sure that we have some solid foundations and strategies to move us forward, and retirement isn't that far away. So it's backtracking into it and then understanding what you have to do in order to get there. It's not by following the hype, and it's definitely not having FOMO. So we just make sure that we have diamond hands and understand what's going into the day to day, and how we can just progress in the future, right? And so the main thing, the 3 points within the main 3 things I would say, within retail psychology is, and I would say the 3 emotions that will kill wealth is impatience is one. You've got doubt, and greed. So those three things, think about those three because they're the killers, right? Impatience, doubt, and greed. I just want those of you that are watching to recognize your own biases and resist the emotional mistakes. Don't do it. Don't do it. Right? So point number 3. Conviction separates the winners from the losers. So what that means is smart money doesn't chase, they build systems. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to build systems, we're going to follow the systems, and we're going to make sure we stay disciplined, just dollar cost average, and understand what's happening daily. I'm doing regardless, I'm going to be doing some weekly Sunday charts, review what's going on for the week, and set those short-term plays, right? And then if the long-term opportunities happen within that week, then that's what I'm going to take. But that's what I'm going to be doing in this channel. And if you guys want to watch, every Sunday I'm going to be releasing it. Not too crazy. I'm just going to do like small quick updates for the week and then go on with my day, right? And that's literally like what a system process should be. That's what I encourage you guys to. If you're not going to watch every Sunday, then pick a day and start looking at understanding what your investments into XRP is going to be and understanding what's going to happen to it. You can follow my channel. There's other channels out there too. I just want you guys to make sure that you understand who and what these other influencers do, and also like try and understand what their system is, and then what else they can provide. Not just hype, but like real tangible things that you can do for yourself, right? For instance, I don't know, just some nuggets out there. So long-term dollar cost averaging strategies, trying to time pumps. Which one would you choose? Long-term strategy, for sure. Like that's what I choose all day. Pumps are fun, but they dump. And then also looking into more about XRP's utility, the ISO adoptions, and then the ETF positioning. We talked a little bit about the ETF status and what's going on in the Sunday chat. So we've got, well, we'll see. This video is going to post probably like a week from now. So we'll see how the ETF is going to be. As far as some of the approvals, a lot of the submissions already started, and today is August 24th. I already posted my Sunday one, so this is just trying to batch for Tuesday, either Tuesday or Wednesday I'll be posting this, right? So we'll see. By then I doubt anything's really going to happen, but we'll just stay tracked. The main thing that I want you guys to take out of this is just think about it over the years and cycles, not days, right? The days are too short for things to happen. So just think about it over years and cycles, and in between, use that time to learn and understand what investments are happening. And there can't, I'm not saying that there won't be moonshots, because you've seen the 400%, 300% gains within XRP within like a month, less than a month, a couple days too. And so that's 100%. It can happen again. There's no guarantees, but it's crypto. Like it can happen again. You can't say that it can't happen. So it's already happened multiple times. And at the end of the day, just build, I want to motivate you guys and challenge you guys to, build your own systems, develop patience, and then hold convictions to see XRP through and through. So come join the ride, come join the journey. Thank you for watching this. Until if you've been watching it this far, please hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I accept all feedback. Again, thank you guys. Later.